Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So on today's video I'm gonna show you how you can add audio from TikTok when your CapCut cannot be linked to your TikTok account. So I've read in many comments that some of you cannot sync or link your TikTok account to CapCut, and that's why you can add the TikTok sound that you save in your TikTok to your edited videos in CapCut. So here's I'm going to show you the tricks. So let's say I want to use this the audio from this video. So what you need to do is just save the video first to your gallery. So I'm going to click on share icon and I'm gonna save this video. Okay, so it will be saved to my phone, and after that you can just go back and open CapCut in your phone, then open your project. So let's say I want to add into this videos right here. So what you need to do is just extract the audio from the video that you saved in TikTok before. So I'm going to go to audio and go to the extracted, and after that I'm going to choose the video that I saved from TikTok. So click on add, and after that you'll get that TikTok sound that you like to your edited video, and you can just export it and then maybe upload it to TikTok. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on thanks below. Thank you guys.